Hi everyone! Today I'll be going through the steps that we need to take to activate the Wordeep extension within any website. The first step, as always, will be to create our Wordeep account. If you don't have your account yet, you can always hop over to one of our other videos for a step-by-step tutorial on how to register. Once you've created your account, you want to make sure that you are logged in on wordeep.com and then head over to the Chrome Web Store. Here, we're going to search for the Wordeep extension, and once it comes up, we'll click on the blue button that says Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Once the extension has been successfully installed, you'll be redirected to this page, which will just confirm for you that Wordeep is officially active and working, and now we can go ahead and start testing this extension. I've prepared a short text for us today that we're going to test out in LinkedIn as well as Twitter. And we'll start with Twitter today. I'll paste in my text. And right away, I can see that Wordeep has found multiple mistakes in my text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify those mistakes by looking at the words that are underlined in red, and then scroll my cursor over it, which will reveal a few different options usually in the drop-down menu. And all I have to do is select the right option that works best for me, then click on it, and the change will automatically be made to the text. So I'll go ahead and make those changes to the rest of the text, and then we'll give it a read at the end and make sure that everything sounds good. All right, so we're all done correcting our text, and I wanted to mention that, as you may have noticed, while I was editing my text, a few words came up that were not originally underlined that were now underlined, because Wordeep consistently works to make sure that the text is constantly being corrected to give us the best product possible. So you want to make sure that you're only finalizing your text when there are no more red underlines. Now, let's give it a read. Let's make sure that everything sounds great. Apparently, a longer weekend is in demand, as many claim that this will reduce their stress levels, even if their working day hours will be extended as a result. What an interesting idea. Perfect, it sounds great. Let's hop on over to LinkedIn now so we can try out this text there and make sure that our results are consistent. Right away, I can tell that there are approximately the same amount of mistakes caught just from looking at the text. I'll go through the text one more time, again, scrolling my cursor over the words that I want to correct, and then choosing the right word that works for me. All right, so we're all done. Let's give it one last read. Apparently, a longer weekend is in demand, as many claim that this will reduce their stress level, even if their working day hours will be extended as a result. What an interesting idea. Perfect. So this result is very consistent with the one that we saw on Twitter, and this just shows us that we can use the Wordeep extension in any website and get the same consistent, amazing result.